AWS Management Console 101, AWS Management Console Private Access. The AWS Management Console, also referred to as the AWS Console, is the primary graphical user interface, GUI, provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS, for accessing and managing various AWS services. Here's a detailed overview, ## features of AWS Management Console. 1. Service navigation. The console offers a centralized dashboard with a menu of AWS services, categorized logically into sections such as compute, storage, database, networking, management tools, and security. 2. Resource management. Users can create, configure, and manage AWS resources directly from the console, such as EC2 instances, S3 buckets, RDS databases, Lambda functions, and more. 3. Identity and access management, IAM. Administrators can manage user permissions, roles, and access policies using IAM features within the console, controlling who has access to which AWS resources. 4. Billing and cost management. The console provides tools for monitoring usage, estimating costs, setting budgets, and analyzing billing data to manage expenses effectively. 5. Deployment and monitoring. Users can deploy applications, monitor resource usage, set up alerts, and view performance metrics for AWS resources using services like CloudWatch and AWS Config. 6. Security configuration. Security features such as AWS Key Management Service, KMS, AWS Certificate Manager, ACM, and AWS WAF, Web Application Firewall, can be configured and managed through the console. 7. Integration with AWS Marketplace. Users can discover, subscribe to, and manage third-party software and services available in the AWS Marketplace directly from the console. Pros of AWS Management Console. 1. User-friendly interface. The console offers an intuitive and visually appealing interface, making it easy for users to navigate and manage AWS resources without extensive technical knowledge. 2. Centralized management. With a single sign-on, users can access and manage all AWS services and resources from one location, streamlining administrative tasks and workflows. 3. Accessibility. As a web-based interface, the console can be accessed from any web browser, allowing users to manage AWS resources from any. 4. Integration with AWS services. The console seamlessly integrates with various AWS services, providing a unified experience for managing cloud infrastructure, applications, and data. 5. Role-based access control. IAM features within the console allow administrators to define granular access permissions and security policies, ensuring secure management of AWS resources. Cons of AWS Management Console. 1. Learning curve. Navigating the console and understanding the functionalities of different AWS services may require some learning, especially for new users who are unfamiliar with cloud computing concepts. 2. Limited customization. While the console offers a wide range of features, it may lack advanced customization options for specific user preferences or complex workflows. 3. Dependency on web browser. Users must have access to a compatible web browser to use the AWS Management Console, which may not be suitable for all environments or devices, especially in restricted or offline settings. Alternatives to AWS Management Console. 1. AWS Command Line Interface, CLI, provides a command line interface for automating AWS tasks and managing resources using scripts, suitable for users who prefer text-based interactions. 2. AWS Software Development Kits, SDKs. SDKs are available for various programming languages, allowing developers to interact with AWS programmatically, integrating AWS services into their applications and workflows. 3. Third-party management tools. Several third-party tools and platforms offer alternative interfaces for managing AWS resources, providing additional features and functionalities tailored to specific use cases and industries. Overall, the AWS Management Console serves as a powerful tool for managing AWS resources, providing a user-friendly interface for users to interact with and control their cloud infrastructure efficiently.